When it comes to your everyday carry flashlight, reliability and style are paramount. Introducing Saint Torch HC1, a cutting-edge 2100 lumen EDC flashlight designed to meet all your illumination needs with unparalleled precision. Saint Torch HC1 features modular design. The head, body, and tail are replaceable and customized. With our precision machining, the flashlight will still be IP68. Equipped with 3 powerful Osram SST20 LIDs, H1 can deliver a staggering 2100 lumens based on 18,350 cell. The replaceable tube accommodates 2 different cell sizes, 18,350 cell and 18,650 cell. With the 18,650 cell, Saint Torch HD1 can cast 300 lumens for up to 6.5 hours. What's more, the Saint Torch HC1 boasts an auxiliary light, feature with an RGB LED capable of providing soft red, green, and blue hues to suit your diverse lighting needs. Designed with the honeycomb appearance and crafted with 3 different metal materials, the HC1 flashlight perfectly complements your unique style. Saint Torch HC1, a modular flashlight designed for the flashaholics.